This video guide is dedicated about another malicious website that tries to mislead people and to force them into downloading some potentially unwanted software. The website is called myeternalprotection.com. myeternalprotection.com. Well, it sounds pretty good, but the point is that this website is absolutely faulty and deceptive. It claims to be related to some popular security program, so at the first glance it might look as if it is pretty decent and with some decent motives, but in reality its real purpose is to deceive you and to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So this is what the pop-up says: your PC may have been infected, threat must be prevented. And then when you start interacting with these pop-ups and click on this proceed button, you will be forwarded to some other questionable sites that may actually promote a totally different software. Or you may not get anything at all. Here it says this site can't be reached. And in some other cases, you will be brought to other deceptive websites that may promote a potentially unwanted software. So you should not interact with this faulty site, myeternalprotection.com. It is not decent, absolutely. In fact, these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. My first recommendation is that you carefully examine the control panel of the system and uninstall any programs that could be suspicious. Sometimes the adware displaying these pop-ups may be bundled or integrated with some free applications. If you don't find anything suspicious but still your browser acts in a very unusual manner, I would recommend investigating your system, your entire computer, with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.